Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the application we have created during the second ServiceNow hackathon in Madrid on October 2024. With my colleague from ServiceNow, Antonio Begué, we set all the GenAI capabilities in the platform to create the application. Let me explain the agenda. First, we establish a problem and provide a solution for it. We explain the business impact, and we show all the tools, all the development tools we use it to obtain more efficiency on the development cycle. We show how to use the Now Assist skill kit. This is something new from the Xanadu version. And we managed to establish 3 use cases. Finally, we finish with a live demo of the application. This application was built in 5.5 hours only. The problem established was easy to understand and simple. We want to obtain a cost reduction, and we want to bring some generative AI governance. And we want to measure how the generative AI will help us to reduce the cost and to improve efficiency. For us, the business impact is we will reduce the cost doing a time reduction. We will establish a GenAI governance. We will show the business ROI value for using the generative AI, and we will help the process owner to simplify their processes. Regarding the development efficiency, all the tools are out of the box, following mainly the no-code, low-code approach. It's true that some code was added, and we used the No Assist for Creator mainly to the app, flow, and playbook generation. We used the No Assist skill kit for the GenAI skills generation, and we used some Workflow Studio capabilities to create or to finalize Subflow to implement some decision tables and playbooks. What is NASK? NASK is the No Assist skill kit. It is used to create custom GenAI skills. It's a totally new tool from Xanadu, and it will help us to establish our own GenAI capabilities. The process to create a new custom GenAI skill is first, we will create a subflow to obtain all the data from any record or any table in the platform. Then we will create the skill and we will integrate it with the subflow. And finally, we will activate it. Activating a skill means we will have it to use it as a button or as UI action in a target table in the platform too. Let me explain a bit the 3 use cases we established. First is a security incident analysis. We will analyze using the custom GenAI skill a security incident to know the criticality. Then we will do an incident analysis from an IT incident. We will determine if it is a security incident candidate. And finally, a vulnerable item false positive. We will analyze a vulnerable item, and the GenAI skill will inform us if it is a false positive or not, a candidate. Then the analyst can confirm it or not. As I explained it, we use it No Assist to create a flow. Then we use it a prompt or a description, and the flow was created. Then using the flow editor, we finish it. This is how the NASK interface looks. I will show you better in the demo, but mainly here is where you create the custom GenAI skills. To create the app, we use it now assist again, answering questions or providing prompts to the GenAI. The application was created in few minutes. It was ready to use. You used the no assist playbook generation too, but in this case, the playbook is created, but all the boxes there are placeholder to finish them. I will say in this case, the playbook generation need more work to be fully operative. Now I will show you in a real demo how the application works. Thank you.